to Layer 7 API Gateway version 10. This is Jeff Duck. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use the gateway as a Kafka provider. I've fired up my gateway. I'm running it in VirtualBox, and I'm also running a Kafka server locally on my Mac. I'm going to start by configuring the Kafka client configuration by clicking on Tasks, Extensions, and Add-ons. And here I'm going to click on Manage Kafka Client Configurations. I'm going to add a new configuration. I'm going to give it a name. And I'm going to add my server details. In this case, 10.0.2.2 is going to point my gateway running in VirtualBox to my local host, and I'm running Kafka on port 9092. I'm going to say OK and close. Now I can create a new web API. I'm going to give the service a name. I'm going to give it a resolution endpoint, and I'm going to hit finish. This brings up a blank policy, and I'm going to add a couple things to my policy. First of all, I'm going to require TLS. Secondly, I'm going to add a message I'm going to post to my Kafka topic. Here I'm going to add a message type variable. I'm going to set it as a message data type. I'm going to have the content type be application JSON, and I'm going to put some details in here. And there will be my message. I say OK. And finally, I can leverage the new routing assertion that's under the message routing option, route via Kafka. Here I drag and drop it in. I only have a single configuration, so it's chosen by default for me. My topic is called test, and I'm going to post the message details from my Kafka message as the message source. I can now say OK. I can save and activate the policy. I can bring my consoles to the front. Here I have a Kafka console consumer listening to my topic. And here I'm going to call over HTTPS, an HTTPS GET request to my gateway on port 8443 to my Kafka endpoint. And when I do this, here we can see Kafka has received my message to the test topic. I hope that you find this useful. Hope that you are going to try out the new API Gateway version 10. And thank you very much for listening.